video. Turn around and look at me.
Aye.
Aye.
This is a bad day and I want to get back to the truck.
This is great, man. All right.
It's a nice, brisk. Try getting this in Naples, Florida.
Yeah.
Okay, we got January 11th here, Johnny, coming down the big hill at Burr Oak. We got a pretty good snowstorm going on. And here he goes.
Got my lights on, I don't know if you noticed.
There he goes down the hill, and it's about 3 inches on the path of snow. This is no easy task here. And there he is, disappearing into Burr Oak. Oh, by the way, that's my truck on the left-hand side, which I'd rather be in than be taping this. Don't hit me now.
Yeah. Seeing this bright snow pride, now I see it reflecting off the camera.
Now that is a headlight.
Check the tail light. You got the tail light on.
All right. Check this guy right here, out here in the middle of January. How, you know, in June we'll be wishing we had this cool.
We saw the Rangers. They said 3 to 5 inches. I was tempted to tell them about those people losing their dog, but they'll get in trouble if they find out they let their dog loose.